Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing this super cute I love you message. Let's get started. We're gonna need one curved line for the top of Kitty's head. And let's add two angles from both sides. Now we can draw two curves on the sides. Right in the middle of the head, we will put one small oval for Kitty's nose and two curved lines a little bit below the nose on both sides. On the top of each curve, we will add a circle. Alright, to make Kitty's eyes super cute, we are going to add many highlights. Bigger circles on the top and three smaller circles below. Let's leave highlights white and color all the rest space in black. Now we can add tiny eyebrows and cute eyelashes. Let's draw a triangle inside of each ear. And to finish drawing the head, we will add a mouth. Two tiny curves under the nose and one U shape. Let's separate a tongue and fill the rest of the space in. Next, we are going to draw two ovals for Kitty's paws, and these ovals are going to be under the eyes and a little bit below the head. We're gonna add some details inside. And now we can draw one big heart between those paws. Alright, next we are going to draw the envelope, and we will add two straight lines somewhere in the middle of Kitty's head. Now we will draw one more straight line parallel to the first one. And the heart will be approximately in the middle between those lines. Let's connect both sides of our rectangle. And next we will draw a cross touching all four corners of our rectangle, like this. But heart and the paws will be on the top. So we break the line and go on. And same here. And now we can draw the open part of the envelope. So it's going to be a corner connecting both sides of the rectangle with the top right above the Kitty's head. So it's gonna look something like this. And we need to connect the head of the kitty with the envelope. Alright, we are almost done. Only wings and the message left. Our wings are going to be super easy. just 3 curves like this, and the same from another side. And the same with I love you sign, super easy. We're gonna draw one V shape and add an oval. Right in the middle, we will draw a heart, a tiny rectangle on the left side, and a letter U on the right side. Alright guys, we are done with the black marker. Now it's time to color this cutie. And as usual, I will fast forward the coloring process. And after we are done, we can have more fun with this drawing. See you after the coloring. And we are done here. I hope you are happy with the result. Now, if you want to have some more fun with this drawing, you can try and change the kitty to be a teddy bear or a bunny. Both will look perfect in this drawing. It was so much fun drawing with you today. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you in my next videos. Bye!